Hello, my name is Herman, and today I'll be teaching you how to get started with Vim. So, Vim is a highly configurable text editor. Vim stands for VI Improved. And if you're using a Unix based computer such as a Mac, then it's very likely that you already have Vim installed. However, if you don't have Vim installed, you can go to their website at vim.org and just go to the download tab, and here you'll have instructions on how to get the latest version of Vim. Great, so let's get started. In order to open Vim, just go in your terminal and type Vim, enter, and here you see the basic screen for a Vim window. This is a blank file. As you can see here, it says no name. Perfect. If you want to open existing files or create a new file using Vim, you just put Vim and the file name with extension. I already have one, so it's called getting started txt. I open it, and now we are viewing the file using the Vim text editor. Don't worry if your terminal does not have the numbers right here or this red bar. That is personal configuration that I've set for my preference. With time, when you get better and you learn more about Vim, you'll be able to download plugins and other features that is going to make your Vim experience more enjoyable and efficient. Great. So since you may already notice in Vim you cannot use your mouse, and this is to reduce the amount of time you leave your hands from the keyboard and be able to type faster. Um, in order to move around, you'd have to use H, J, K, and L. In order to go down, you'll press J, K goes up, L goes right, and H goes left. Excuse me. Um, at the beginning, this might be tricky to learn, but it's much better since you won't have to waste time going and look for the arrow keys. If you want to start editing, just move your cursor where you want to start editing, or and go into the insert mode. Just press I, and you'll see how it changed. And now I'm in insert mode. Perfect. So here I can say, I love Vim. This is awesome. Great. So let's say that now I want to keep moving around, but HK doesn't move because I'm in insert mode. So to escape that, you go press escape, and now you can move around. In order to save your changes, the reason why this happens is because Vim has two modes. It's the edit mode where you can insert and change your file, and the GUI mode where you can navigate it. Yeah, in order to save the most recent changes that we've made, just press colon W. That, if you press enter, that will save it. If you press W, here you see how I'm typing around here in the corner. WQ would save and quit. Q would only exit if I haven't made any changes, but if I've made some changes that I don't want to save yet, just add the exclamation mark at the end, and you'll be able to exit. In order to move to the next word, just press W. That'll move you to the first letter of the next word. E will move you to the next word, but to the last letter. B will move you backwards. The dollar sign will move you to the end of the line, and 0 will move you to the beginning of the line. As you can see, there's a lot of commands that you may have to memorize, and this will take a lot of time, but in the long run, you'll be able to code and write much faster. Cool. Another important feature is copying and pasting. In order to do that, you'll have to go into the visual mode, which you just press V, and then you can move around. Note how I'm highlighting certain things. Great. In order to copy and paste something, you just press Y to copy. If you press D, it would cut it. and you'll place the after your cursor where you want to paste it and put P. And see, you can see that we paste that there. If you want to undo those changes that you just made, just press U. And if you want to redo them, Control R. Perfect. The few last basic commands that we're gonna learn today are going to the beginning of the file and the end of the file. So if you press G twice, it'll move you to the beginning of the file, and if you press capital G, it'll take you to the end of the file. Um, Learning Vim takes a little bit of time, but if you stick to it and just put a lot of effort, in no time you'll get very good at it and you'll start to code much faster. So let's go ahead and exit this without saving any changes. And now we're here. If you want to further your knowledge in Vim, you can go and type Vim tutor. This will take you to a tutorial already made by Vim, and it will take approximately 30 minutes to 1 hour, depending on how fast you do it. So you press enter, yeah, and here you'll see the Vim tutor, and you can use all the commands that I just showed you. Awesome. Thanks for watching. I hope you liked it. If you have any comments or any other things you want to learn about, let me know and I'll be making more screencasts in the future. Have a good day.